Next weather chief meteorologist, hurricane specialist Ivan Cabrera is joining us now. When I saw that map, it's good that we're not either orange or red or pink or whatever those things are.
Well, yeah, it feels like we should be in those colors, but you know they have it's a different threshold for all over the country. When I lived up in the Northeast, places like Boston, you hit 90 degrees 3 days in a row. Official heat wave. Can you imagine? That's like you know, just a couple of hours for us. 88 feels like 100 right now. The humidity is making it feel that way, as you know. The high temperature sneaked in at 95 after reaching 91, and we held on to that westerly wind for an additional hour, and that was enough to get everybody in the upper 80s to low 90s, where we had the sea breeze kick in. But Miami International Airport decided to delay that, and there we were, 95 degrees. By the way, that does not break the old record, sitting there at 96. We are all in the upper 80s to lower 90s right now, but the feels like temperature still in the upper 90s to low 100s. That's what really matters, and again, calculated always in the shade here and how it feels to your body. That's what the apparent temperature is always more important, right? There is next radar network, not much doing. The sea breeze has kicked in, and that dropped temperatures several degrees. I mean, from 95 to 88 in just a couple of hours. It's penetrated well inland. You see the showers and storms firing along it, but that's about where they're going to stay. They're going to try to migrate a little further east for tonight, but they're going to have a hard time doing so. Look what's on top of us. In central and southern Florida right now, this is the driest air mass across the entire United States. We typically don't get to say that here in Florida because it gets obviously very moist here, but there it is right on top of us, and that's courtesy of this area of high pressure that is anchored over Texas, and on the eastern flank of that, it's pushing all that dry air in our direction. Thankfully, we're not sitting under this high, because if we were, then we would get that sinking, compressing air. And that, of course, is what's creating all those colors that Ellie was talking about there in Texas. For us, just on the fringes of it with the dry air, and that's going to keep, I think, our rain chances for tomorrow very limited. So another hot and steamy day. And then a quick disturbance moves in on Thursday. That's going to increase our rain chances here. So we are looking for a lot of thunderstorms, in fact, developing Thursday, and then a more typical pattern Friday through the upcoming holiday weekend, first weekend of July. I think we'll get back into more typical chances. There we are for the rest of the evening, quieting down, and then for tomorrow, watch what happens here. It's not going to be much, just a couple showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two as the sea breezes collide, but everything stays across the interior. And then heading into Thursday, that's when we're looking for things to change. In fact, that quick disturbance is going to bring us plenty of showers and thunderstorms, and everything will migrate to the metros here. So we're going to get wet on Thursday, no question. Tracking the tropics, not much to track. That's always a good thing. The remnants of Cindy still being monitored out there, but that's not going to be a big deal for us. And then, of course, the dry Saharan air layer that we've been missing, that is with us now across a good chunk of the Atlantic. I've been watching these tropical waves just getting devoured by that dry air. Excellent news for you and me. There go the rain chance for tomorrow, down to 30 to 40%. So we'll be limited, and then we'll bump it up to 60 before we get back to more typical rain chances and normal temperatures, really low 90s through the holiday weekend.